everybody, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before, or if you're new here then welcome. My name is Eve. This setup is a wee bit different because this is actually a kind of clothing video. So I got my first ever Stitchfix box last week. I have had COVID so I've been unable to really try it on, but I'm testing negative now so I thought I would try it on with you lot. Now for those that don't know, Stitchfix is like a clothing subscription company, so you pay £10 and they pick out some items for you to wear. You do quizzes in your style, you pick what kind of clothes you want, so you can get like going out clothes or you can get like work clothes or whatever. Now I work in scrubs so like I've picked kind of casual clothes, and you pay your £10, the stylist picks your stuff out. With Stitch Fix they give you a short list of like 10 items and you can pick what ones you want, and you can leave it a surprise. If you don't like 5 of the items then they'll pick out more, they'll send you out. You get your £10 fee back from Stitch Fix if you buy something. If you don't buy anything, obviously don't get that back. And also if you buy all the items you get, sorry I'm out of breath still from having COVID, if you buy all the items you get 20% off. Now some of the items they are pricier than what I would normally go for, but we'll get into that. I'll tell you the prices of everything. And you've got a stylist that you can send messages. So they'd initially picked skinny jeans. It says I've got loads of skinny jeans, like can you send me other styles? So they sent me straight leg jeans, so you can kind of communicate with your stylist a bit and kind of let them know what you want. I've also got the Cairo box coming this week, and that's the kind of same idea, so I'd be interested to compare the two and what they've picked out. So this is what mine came in. It comes in a box wrapped in kind of paper inside, and like I said, you do get 2 items. They'd actually picked out some really nice boots and trainers, but I've got boots and trainers so I'd said no to getting them. So a couple of things I picked, and then a couple of things they added on. Like I picked from the short list and a couple of things they then added on. So with each one you get a wee envelope, you get a returns label. It's free returns, it's really easy to return I think. Well, I'll still need to do it, but you get your price sheet, and then you get this which is quite cool, and it tells you your items and kind of styling notes and how to style them, which is quite cool. So your wee note also says, has like a wee spiel. So I'll read you what mine says. It says, "Hi Eve, happy Fix Day and welcome to the Stitch family. My name is Sabrina and it was a delight to style your first Fix today. How are you doing? Any fun things planned for the spring season ahead? Thank you for taking your time to review your Fix preview, it's much appreciated. I was more than happy to round out your picks with 2 more of my own. You mentioned that you'd like to try some jeans that aren't skinny. What do you think of the straight leg fit by Mavi? They have a high rise style and will look cute and cool with a pink bonjour sweatshirt by Whistles. Be sure to let me know if you have a specific request for Fix too." Now what is quite good is I'd asked for jeans in petite. I'm only 5 foot, I'm very petite, and the jeans that they did send were petite. So I thought the jeans weren't going to fit, but I have actually lost about half a stone through having COVID and not being able to eat. So they have fit. Like I have tried the jeans on, I've not really tried anything else on. So we'll just kind of go into it. So I'll start with the jeans I guess. So these are the jeans. They are Mavi Kendra Petite high rise, straight leg. They sent me a waist 27, a length 28. I did say I was about a size 10. I'm not sure exactly what size I am in jeans. And this is just what they look like. These feel like good jeans. Like I normally get my jeans from New Look or Primark. Now these feel really really nice. Now they're not my favourite on, and I'll kind of tell you why once I try them on. But this is what they look like. For a 27 waist, they're actually a kind of decent size, but these aren't cheap. So these cost £69. Now that's more than what I would normally pay for a pair of jeans, and if I'd liked them I would have still been slithering, but I'll try them on in a wee second and I'll show you. And then let's go into this sweatshirt. Now I'm not the biggest fan of this. Like there's nothing wrong with it. Like I probably would wear it if someone had given me it. It is the Whistles Bonjour sweatshirt in pink, but this costs £79. Like, I know Whistles is like a dear company, but I usually get my jumpers and my hoodies from the boys section at Primark, and they're only about £5, so while it is quite nice, it's good quality, it's nice and thick, I know it'd be nice and warm. I'm not paying £79 for a sweatshirt, like I'm sorry, that is a lot. And then we'll go into the jacket and then we'll get on to the other two tops. So this is the jacket they sent out. Now this I do like. I'm swithering whether or not to keep it because I have just bought a jacket, like a rain jacket, a yellow one from Sports Direct of all places. It's lovely. And this is the only, I hadn't heard of that brand before, race short raincoat in light pink. They sent me a size small. This is £55 now. I don't think that's bad because it's quality, like it's got a lining, a nice stripy lining. It looks like it would be fairly waterproof. Now what does the label say? It says water resistant, wind resistant, grease resistant. I don't know. I don't have a full length mirror in here, so say like this trying in front of camera, like it's actually quite good because it means I'll be able to see. So I will try those 3 items on, and then the other 2 are tops, and then we'll just kind of swap onto one of their tops. I've never been more careful not to get makeup on something in my life. So this is the jumper, like I said, there's nothing wrong with it. This is kind of textured, which is nice. It's a nice fit. I'm just not the biggest pink girl, like the raincoat is fine, but like hot pink like this, I'm just not the biggest person. Now onto the jeans, like you probably won't even really be able to see all that much. Sorry if you can see any mess on the floor. Like, they're lovely jeans, they fit nice, like they are nice, but I don't know if straight leg jeans are just a bit too grown up. Does that make sense? Like, I think I would prefer them if they were like more wide legged or like mum kind of style jeans or something, because these just, although they fit really nicely, they fit nice at the waist, fit nice at the bum, they're quite flattering where the cut is, like the rise is. I don't know, I mean I know I'm 36, but like, I don't know, they just feel a bit kind of like grown up to me. I don't know, what do we think? The good thing is as well, you can extend the checkout time that you've got to buy things, because obviously I've had to, because I've not been able to go to the post office. So the sweatshirt is a definite no. The jeans, I'm still, I don't know. I don't know. But let's try the jacket on. Now this is the jacket. Now like I say, I do like this, so I'm still deciding whether I keep it or not. Like, it's got these toggles at the middle, so you can like make it a bit more cinched in at the waist. It fits nice. I wish the sleeves, you could like tighten them a wee bit, but like, hood, I don't know, I'm still swithering on this one. Like I says, I have just bought a yellow one and pink isn't my favourite colour, so I don't know, let me know. I mean, I've probably sent it back already by the time I put this video up. No, in fact I won't have, so let me know what you think about the coat. So that's it. The next thing is this jumper. Now when I tell you this feels soft, like I'm not even joking, like this feels so soft. This is what this one is. This one is the Moret, another brand I haven't heard of, Colleen Cozy Fitted Wrap Top in grey. They sent me a size 8. This is £36, which again is a bit more than I'd normally pay for a jumper, but this feels amazing. It's got this nice wrap. Just try it on. So this is what this looks like on now. I like this. Like, normally I wouldn't go for anything low cut, but I don't think it's too bad. Like, I need a better bra on. It's got this lovely crossover, and this being tight around here isn't actually as unflattering as I thought it was going to be. And this is cosy, like I say, I'm not even kidding, like it is so warm and so cosy. So it's got nice kind of long sleeves. I think I probably will keep this, like I do like it. Again, it is maybe a wee bit more than I would normally spend, but I can see me getting quite a lot of use out of this. And you could also put like a wee cami top underneath. The last item is one that I picked myself when I seen it. I thought I have to have that, it's gorgeous. This is a Market and Spruce, again a brand I don't know. Samantha 3Q, not front, navy. This is £32, they sent me a size small. This is lovely, like it's just a basic jumper with like a knot at the bottom, but this is really nice, so I'll just try it on. Yeah, I like this. I knew it would, I think, this knot, but is it throwing me off a bit? I'll show you what I mean in a second. See how the knot is just kind of like sticking out. This is the thing that I thought that I would like. I'm not sure. I think I like it. The knot's annoying me a wee bit, but I just kind of pull it down. It doesn't really matter as much, but I love the kind of colour blocking of this. I love the navy in the top, and I love the kind of cream at the bottom. I like how it's got the same on the sleeves. Like it's really, again, so soft. Like I could just sit and stroke this all day. Like, I'm not the biggest fan on the knot, but I think that's just from me kind of looking down. Like I think looking from the side and stuff, like it's actually not that bad. So I think this one I will be keeping along with the grey one. I'm still deciding about the jacket and the jeans, but the pink sweatshirt, like, I'm not going to keep. So I will leave a link to Stitchfix down below. I think I do have some sort of referral code where you would get like so much credit and I would get so much credit, so please do check it out. Like, even if it's just a one-off thing, then I think it's still worth trying. Only costs you a tenner. Like, if you don't like anything in it, it only costs you a tenner. The postage back is free. It seems quite easy enough. You can pick different methods of sending it back. So yeah, if you liked the video, then give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want me to do another Stitch Fix video. I'm thinking about maybe getting one every 2 months. And yeah, that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.